Reinstalling a starter solenoid on my Cub Cadet LTX 1046 tractor.
Do you know the model of your Cadet tractor? How old is it?
LTX 1046.
How long has this been going on with your Cadet tractor? What have you tried so far?
When trying to install a new solenoid, the wires fell off and I didn't see where came from. I have a 4-post solenoid and I have 2 reds, 1 black, 1 green and 2 slide-on wire connection.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
How do I wire this solenoid? I need my tractor running.
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. Can you send me a picture of the wires that you have? Can you also send me a picture of your solenoid?
Customer attachment April 14, 2020 12:47 and 18 seconds AM.
From the pictures that you have sent to me, it looks like everything is hooked up correctly. What kind of issue are you having?
When I turn the key on, it just clicks at the solenoid.
Do you have a voltmeter?
No.
Based on the information that you have provided, it could be a grounding issue on either the battery, solenoid, or the engine not grounded to the frame well. Since you do not have a voltmeter, this will be really hard to troubleshoot. All you can do is go back and check to make certain that the negative battery cable is grounded good to the frame, the solenoid is grounded good to the frame, and the engine is grounded good to the frame, and the engine mount bolts are not loose. Thank you for choosing to use our services. Please take a moment to rate your experience using the star rating system that is provided for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.